Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux with the Robot operating system and programmed in C++. Connected to network, serial cable and band cable, which in turn connects to this breadboard with some electronics and fischertechnik to be able to control motor, LEDs, and get it running in general. And last time I found out some troubles with the voltage that comes from here to here and to here. These are parallel and the voltages are not what I expected to be. So that is what's going on right now. In this long running series, things are not as easy as was supposed to be, but what's fun if everything runs at the same time correctly. So let's find out about these voltages. And this is then an overview of everything with an extra camera on the Raspberry Pi. Breadboard with fischertechnik and two probes for voltage measuring, and this is the serial connection to Raspberry Pi, which I'm not going to update right now. So just starting VNC to get things done, and I expect, just like last time, that it will take a while for everything to start. It is not that fast. And this one I'm going to relocate to the oscilloscope. So serial connection, network connection, power and the band cable. Alright, so now one camera pointed at the oscilloscope and one camera still pointed at the breadboard. Not much activated yet. I have to activate control and the phototransistor. So now I should be able to use my smartphone, lighten up something right here, it will work, and activate. And then see if there's somewhere, somehow, voltage. And by the signal, it seems I have some voltage. So that's a good start. And they're both after the transistor. Sorry, not the transistor, the potentiometer. So the question is, if I put two more probes and to put them right here, what's the difference? So I put one probe right here. Once again, light, and then what is the difference? Oh wait, I have to change this voltage to 5. Not that it matters, because I'm not using that one yet. Or am I? No, not yet. But the voltage difference is minimal. except for the yellow line. That's a little bit smaller. So yeah, there are signals, there's a difference. Then the 3.3 volts, is that it? Because that is what it is about. Partially, I think so. Can I check that? Yes, by putting everything to 2 volts. So this one, 2 volts. 2 volts. And the last one, still not used, 2 volts as well. Now, if they go higher than this line or this line, I have 3 volts. So let's check. No, it's somewhat more than 2 volts. Oh, that's 3 volts, I think. No, it's not 3 volts. It has to come in the middle of these 2 lines for this one, or here for the blue one, and that doesn't happen. It's 2 volts. Which is quite unfortunate. Because 3.3 volts is what I need. Too bad. Alright, and if you need some stable light, you create some scaffold to put the smartphone on, and then you have a nice light. With this result, and this is being the norm for 2 volts. This is 2 and something. This is 2 and this is 2 volts. Is this going to work? No, it's not. So now I am going to apply the last probe, but I will apply it in this place, which is in schematics the middle of the voltage divider, which leads exactly to pin 13. So what's the result? Very low voltage, below 2. So that won't work. But will the result of the yellow probe work? No, it won't, because it's 2 volts. And if I change it back to 5 volts, it's about half, so it's 2.5 volts, which is not enough. And that means that I will need another potmeter, a different one, which will hopefully give the correct voltage, because this one is now set at maximum. So will further action now give any result? No, except for replacing the potmeter, which I have to search, and then it has to be a different one with a higher voltage outcome. this is no use, unfortunately. Yeah, well, let's try. And with a different pot meter right here, right next to it, next to the odd one, it turns out that it is actually a worse performance. Turn to the maximum. It doesn't even reach its full potential, so a bad choice, unfortunately. And I don't have many pot meters, so which way to go? Construct another voltage divider or continue with pot meters? Because right now this is not an option, not a good option in this situation anyway. So that's very unfortunate, and I hope next time I can have a better result. Or find a different solution. And with this result, or these results, as I thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by becoming a patron, may have your name mentioned, and becoming a co-producer. You can also just donate via PayPal and IBAN. This is going to be continued, obviously. Please take a look at my website for more information and other projects. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.